Welcome to this video on how to calculate voltage drop over long cables. Understanding this is crucial for safe and efficient electrical systems. So what is voltage drop? It is the loss of electrical potential along a wire, which is caused by resistance. This loss means the equipment receives less voltage than what is supplied. Voltage drop matters for several reasons. It affects equipment performance, leading to motors running hot and lights dimming. It also impacts energy efficiency and can be a safety hazard, as overheating cables pose fire risks. Standards recommend keeping the total drop between 3% to 5%. The two major causes of voltage loss are cable length and current load. Longer cables have higher resistance, causing a larger drop. Similarly, high-power equipment draws more current, which also increases the voltage drop. Wire material and size are also key factors. Copper has higher conductivity than aluminum, and thicker wires have lower resistance, which directly minimizes voltage drop. For single-phase systems, we use this formula. The two-factor accounts for the round-trip path of the current. L is the one-way cable length, I is the current, and R is the cable resistance. For three-phase systems, the formula is slightly different, using the square root of 3, or about 1.732 instead of 2. This factor accounts for the phase relationship in three-phase power. Let's walk through a real-world calculation example. We have a 230-volt supply, a 100-meter cable, 10 amps of current, and a 2.5 square millimeter copper cable with 7.41 ohms per kilometer resistance. Step 1 is to apply the single-phase formula, substituting the values. The calculated voltage drop is 14.82 volts. Step 2 is to determine the percentage drop. 14.82 divided by 230 multiplied by 100. This results in a 6.4% drop, which exceeds the recommended 5% limit. To reduce this drop, you can use a larger cable, shorten the cable length, increase the voltage, or upgrade to copper material for better conductivity. Voltage drop calculations are vital in residential wiring, solar power systems, electric vehicle chargers, agricultural pumps, industrial motor installations, and outdoor lighting networks. Voltage drop is an unavoidable fact of physics, so always aim for under 5% loss. Mastering these formulas ensures safe, efficient, and reliable electrical performance for your systems.